A new industry report from BauWatch reveals a disturbing trend. The UK's construction sector is being overrun by organized criminal networks, with site theft spiking by a staggering 67%, more than double the European average. High-value equipment and materials are no longer merely disappearing. They're being systematically hijacked and trafficked through black market operations. Nearly one-third of construction professionals say stolen goods are regularly circulated among these underground networks, and almost half have been directly approached by criminals offering so-called protection, a clear sign of growing intimidation and racketeering. The financial fallout is crushing. Insurance premiums are soaring, and a third of workers are forced to personally replace stolen tools. Among the most targeted items, power tools, 52%, copper, 48%, and cables, 33%. But the most alarming shift is the criminal tactics themselves. These aren't opportunistic thefts. They're meticulously planned operations. Over 60% of respondents report that construction crime has become noticeably more sophisticated. Criminals are employing high-tech methods like hacking into CCTV systems, launching cyber attacks, deploying drones for reconnaissance, and even cloning digital access credentials. UK firms have stepped up security. About half now use fixed CCTV, a level of vigilance twice the European norm. But as criminals adopt drones and cyber tools, traditional security measures are struggling to keep pace. BauWatch Managing Director Mim Mogul says, "This is no petty theft anymore. It is the industrialization of construction crime. Calculated, network-driven, and affecting more than just assets. They're disrupting schedules, inflating costs, and even impacting the mental health of tradespeople, particularly those running small operations." The report calls for a layered defense approach, combining physical barriers, advanced technology, cyber protection, thorough staff training, and intelligence sharing with law enforcement. Without this comprehensive strategy, the construction industry remains dangerously exposed to a new breed of criminal enterprise. This is Demi Lition reporting for The Break Fast Show.